Assalamualaikum Hazur. My name is Hibbadul Kabir Sara. I'm Waqfano and from Birmingham North Jamaat. I have two questions.
Acha.
My first question is, as young students, how can we balance deen and dunya as both are needed in the world we live in today?
You see, you say in your ahad, your pledge, that you will keep your deen above everything. Right? So, keep your deen above everything means that Allah Ta'ala has made it obligatory on you to offer 5 daily prayers. Right? And properly, fervently, with full concentration, you do it. This is how you can keep your deen above everything. Secondly, to do tilawat of the Holy Quran daily. And try to find out the points. What the Quran says, what is mentioned in the Holy Quran, what are the do's and don'ts in the Holy Quran, and you have to practice those. And you have to leave all your bad habits. This is how you can give preference to your deen on dunya. So these are the things for a student. If you do this thing, that is enough for you. It's not a small job. There are 700 commandments in the Holy Quran. When you complete those 700, then you tell me. Okay?
Okay.